Let's examine the ceiling coverings. The lower face of the floors, the ceiling of the spaces, can be covered with various products according to the function of the floor and concept design of the indoor spaces. The covering products can be applied directly on the lower face of the floor or can be attached on a subframe system at a lower height. The air space between the floor and ceiling covering can be used for the insulation of heat and sound or lighting products. Air conditioning channels can be placed here. Ceilings can be covered with plaster, gypsum boards, metal, timber, mineral, or plastic tiles. Plaster can be applied directly onto a concrete ceiling surface with a maximum 10 mm thickness. This application can be managed over a metal lath surface, which may be placed directly on the ceiling surface, directly underneath wood joists or metal girders, or this metal lath substrate may be suspended from the ceiling surface. Gypsum board may be fastened directly to the undersides of the joists or may also be supported by a grid of furring channels and hung as a suspended ceiling. Ceiling tiles are made in various sizes and textures from timber, metal, or a soft, sound-absorbing material such as cork, mineral fiber, or glass fiber. These modular units have perforated, patterned, textured, or fissured faces that allow sound to penetrate into the fiber voids. Metal or timber pan tiles consist of a steel or aluminum or natural or engineered timber pan having a perforated face and coating a separate layer of sound-absorbing material. Ceiling tiles can be suspended from an overhead floor or roof structure to provide a concealed space for mechanical ductwork, electrical conduit, and plumbing lines. Although the suspension system of each manufacturer may vary in details, they all consist of a grid of main channels or runners, cross tees, and splines. This grid, suspended from the overhead floor or roof structure, may be exposed, recessed, or fully concealed. This is the end of today's subjects, and next week we are going to talk about materials, pieces, and components of stairs, elevators, and ramps.